What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to make a quick short rundown on how to install this rear seat delete kit in your 2010 to 2015 Camaro Super Sport. This kit is from Shredder Performance, and all you will need are just these tools right here. These are all supplied. You're just going to need an impact, ratchet, wrench, whatever you want, 15mm socket, 18mm socket. Everything else is supplied. All the instructions are online through an install, depending on what vehicle you have. But I just wanted to remove the rear seats back here simply for the fact I never use them. I just don't need them. Really, I don't. And I liked the delete look. I saw it on their website and I just really enjoyed it. So I figured I'd make a quick video showing you how I do that and really kind of what the steps are. All right, so excuse the flash in here. It was pretty dark. Camera would not pick up a thing. But removing the rear seats in 2010 to 2015 Camaro is really not too difficult at all. First, what we're going to do is we're going to pull up these bottom seats, and they are quite literally, you pull them off. They're just clipped in. So I'm going to need my other hand for that. So let me get that up, and I'll show you what's next. Yeah, so for removing those seats, you just pull it up on each side. It clips out. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Just feed your seat belts through here, and the whole rear lifts right out. So for the top side of the seats, you really can split them off of this rail, but considering the rail has to come off either way, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And what that is, I believe, are two 15mm bolts, two 15mm bolts, and an 18. So you just undo those and pull this strap right here. Everything should come out in one big piece. All right, so I got the 15s out. Then we just got to grab that 18 and everything should pop right out. So the next step is the kit requires us to shave this down about 1/2 inch or it's not going to fit. So I'm going to use just a cutoff wheel. I'm going to take that out. Make sure when you're doing it, use your safety glasses, use protective gear because you are enclosed in here. But I'm going to go ahead and get that taken off. But as you can see, I have cut this off. What I understand, we're going to reinstall these top two bolts here. And the bottom two are going to help in installing the actual delete. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in real quick. So on our next step, we're going to be using these brackets right here in the push pins. And we're going to be putting them in right here and right here. Now, I'm not sure which way they go in. I'm going to assume we're doing this right here to get the angle, but we're gonna find out shortly if that's wrong. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them in this way again, so this flat face facing the rear. So the next step will be installing this lower piece, and I believe that our brackets are correct for the angling that we're wanting. And really, this middle for now is just gonna rest on that nut we just cut off, or excuse me, the bolt we just cut off. And I see what they're saying now about using those factory bolts to hold it in, but I'm going to go ahead and lay this down and we're going to see where we get to. And so again, this is just meant to rest for now, but yep. So we're laying on the back and that's where we're going to be lining up. For the last little bit, we're just going to be installing the back panel, and these are going to be going down on the bottom. There is a little slot right here, and that is what's going to hold the top end to the existing mounts. So yep, the hardest part about putting that back in was going to be just lining up the bolt holes. Other than that, it actually holds in very well. You can definitely tell the difference in the carpet, but once this is put back, you can't quite tell the difference. But I'm definitely a fan of it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I just wanted to make it real short and sweet, just to show you how to do it if any of y'all had the kit here. But overall, very easy install. I like the way it looks. If you want to see more videos, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.